Hi, welcome back to Vaareesa Art. Today we are going to see how to draw perfect cube step by step and how to shade it. As a beginner, you have some difficulty to draw perfect cube. I will show you a simple way to draw perfect cube. First, draw a rectangle. Then divide it to equal parts. And now divide it into two parts. So now we have divided this rectangle into 4 equal parts vertically. Then divide 3 equal parts in horizontally like this. Now connect these two corners and connect these two corners and this one. Finally we got perfect cube. Now how to draw rectangle prism? Do the same process as we did earlier on cube. Now we got perfect rectangle prism. Now let's see how to shade cube. hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are learning something from this. Like this video, share with friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.